Okay, what's up guys, what's up my people, what's up in every individual? It's your guy Shapiro Acid, and guys, in this brand new video I'm going to talk about my full course. Okay, I have a full online course that will make you a lot of money, and if I'm not lying to you, it can make you at least $100 every day. Okay guys, I mean it, $100 every day. So guys, I released this course I think last month, that's in the month of November, where I was doing 30 videos in 30 days. So you can see how busy I am in that month. I was very busy in that month of November. Okay, so guys, this course entails a lot. Okay, this course entails a lot, and people are really making a lot of money from this course. People are chatting me with good feedback and a lot of things. So I decided to make this video to all my subscribers here, telling you about the course and how you can get the course. Okay, so guys, this course is available. It's available on my website. Okay, actually it's not my old website, chapiroacid.com. That one is not working. I've done a video about it. If you have not watched it, there will be a link in the description box below. Go and check it. Chapiroacid.com is not working again. So guys, this course is a course that I bought. Okay, I actually bought some. I designed some myself. I bought it from a Nigeria guy, and I studied the course myself. I've sat down, I've watched the full course, the full videos, and I think it's a nice course. So I decided to recreate it and sell it to you guys here because it's a nice course. It's going to help you. And guys, this course contains 20 ways that you can make money online. Okay, 20 ways, 20 different ways you can make money online. And guys, this course can make you at least $100 every day. So I decided to sell the course to you guys here. And guys, I've been selling the course $100. That 20 course, I've been selling it $100 to everybody, to all my friends. But I decided that my subscribers from YouTube, if you're from YouTube and you're chatting me, just tell me I'm from YouTube, and I promise you I'm going to give you a discount. Okay, I'm going to give you a discount on the course. Now guys, I know some of you don't have interest in the course. You don't like those online business and those things, but you still want the course. So guys, this is how you can make the money from the course. The course is a worldwide occupied course. Okay, so everybody will be interested to get the course. So I will advise you can buy the course from me, then you can resell it. Okay, I have a lot of people who are reselling my course and they are making a lot of money. Okay, from WhatsApp, I have many people from WhatsApp who are reselling my course and they're making a lot of money. So if you are somebody up there who don't have interest in watching it, because the course is a full video, it's all a video that I start down myself, showing you how I do this, how I do that to make a lot of money, showing you everything that you need to know to make at least $100 every day. Okay, $100,000 every day. So guys, I think this course is going to help you. I'm going to send you all to my full screen where I was for you all to see what the course is about, and the bonuses you get. Okay, you get a bonus for joining the course, and I'll talk about the bonus when I'm recording from my phone. And in case you have any question you want to ask me about the course, don't forget to drop it on the comment section. I'll read and I'll reply to every comment. So guys, without much talking, let's just go to my full screen. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see on the screen, this is my course and this is the blog post to the course. And guys, you can see, as I said earlier, 20 cash out courses that can make you a lot of money. And this is the description of the course, and here I talk about the way the course will be delivered. So I will make the course available through Google Drive, and also you can watch it when you're using Chrome browser. And also guys, remember, this is very important, that these courses are not downloaded from YouTube. Okay, it's not a video that I just went to download from YouTube. No, it's a video that we created ourselves. We sat down and we created this video ourselves. Okay, now guys, so this course here is available in a video form, as I said earlier, and it's very affordable. As I said earlier, that those of you who are from YouTube, okay, so my subscribers who are from YouTube, I'm going to give you this course at cool $80. Okay, cool $80. And guys, this is the course outline. So as you can see on the screen right now, the first course is about digital product or creation. So we will teach you how you'll be able to create digital product, and also smartphone VTU creation. That one too is available there. We'll show you how you'll be able to create that one. And also ultimate paper solution, yeah, that one too will show you. And Google AdSense mastering, guys, this one I'm very good at it, so we'll show you that one too. And WhatsApp marketing too is available. TikTok cash out, complete blogging course, game development, in case those gamers up there who are looking for a way to develop game, that one too will show you. And complete Facebook and Instagram course is also available. Smart video editing course is available. YouTube channel management is available. Ultimate web design, okay, that is the same as the blogging, is available, but this one is in different category. We're going to show you how you can use your smartphone to create graphic design. and also Amazon book publishing, video editing course, how to make ebook in 24 hours, and my $10 strategy. I'm going to show you how I make $10 every day strategies. And guys, the next one is going to tell you about the truth about money, what you need to do, what you need to know about money, and also the 100 lead. This one is going to tell you the new lead to generate your contact list. And guys, the final one here is that the bonuses. These are the bonuses you're going to get free. And guys, these bonuses are available free. You're going to get pro apps. That means all the apps that are online that they said you should pay for them, you are going to get all for free. Especially the editing course, the editing app, you're going to get all for free without paying any amount of money. So guys, in case you want this code badly, you want to buy this course, this is the number, this is my number below. Just WhatsApp me, okay? Take the number, chat me on WhatsApp, and tell me you want to buy the course, and guys, I will make the course available for you. Okay, so you can also resell the course. You can say it's a full course. You can also buy it, resell it to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. So this is what I have for you in this video. In case you appreciate my effort, go ahead, smash the like button. See you in my next video, and I'm out.